Betsan, and I started fostering when my children were only little, so they've grown up with the chaos and joy of fostering. They're both adults now and better people for growing up in a fostering environment. I met some foster carers and got to know them. They were so inspiring that I began looking into fostering myself. My fostering journey began as soon as I contacted Gwynedd Local Authority fostering team. They assessed me, and it was my chance to think about who I was, what motivated me, my strengths, and what difficulties I might come up against. I learned a lot about myself, and the team made sure it was right for me and the children. I've been fostering for 25 years. I've experienced it all, the pleasure and the challenges of being a fostering family. I've cared for children with different needs, some on an emergency basis, some have stayed with us before they've been adopted. I've worked with parents too, where I look after the children as part of a plan to reunite them with their families. It's fair to say I've seen it all. I have 2 sisters living with me at the moment. The eldest has been like a mother figure to her little sister for most of her young life. It took her a while to let me take over some of that caring. It was great to let her just be a child again. They're both growing up into brilliant young people. You don't realise when you start fostering the different level of care each child will need based on their own story. I don't think I'd have been able to be fostering for this long if it weren't for our foster team and the support and training that they've given us. I've learned so much, things like coping with attachment and sleep issues and supporting children who've had difficult experiences. I think fostering has helped my own children too. When a child is fostered, they can often find living in a new home quite difficult. My children have seen that and have learned to be patient and accepting. They know that their relationships with the children we foster are really important too. We're all in it together.